Welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. Today we are going to make Easter slime DIY kits. We got to start off with the slime, so I got some clear glue, 2 cups of water, some borax, and mixing instruments. So you're going to squeeze in 1 cup of clear glue, and this is just school glue, and then 1 cup of water. If you watched my last slime making video, which was my first ever, I skipped this step and it was a fail. So follow these instructions and it's hard to go wrong. So mix that thoroughly, and then you're going to take the other cup of water. It's better if it's warm. Put in half a teaspoon of the borax and mix it up till it's pretty much all incorporated and dissolved there. And then we're just going to mix it. I did a little at a time. I don't want to do all of it just in case, but mix it up till it starts becoming slime. It's always fun to do this part with the kids, but if you're going to do it like as a kit in their basket, it also makes it less messy if you just do this part, and then they can have fun with the rest of the kit and the creation. So got a good consistency. Obligatory slime sounds and drips. So I was really proud. This was my second time making clear slime and it worked out beautifully. So I've got some eggs that are larger and some smaller ones. And because these are cheap ones, I'm going to have to tape up the little holes so we don't have slime leak or glitter or something like that. I recommend higher quality eggs also because they close better and don't accidentally just pop open, which you again don't want slime everywhere. So just some things I had around the house, these little letter or alphabet beads. Some sequins, because you can't go wrong with shiny sequins. I had some plastic beads. Thumbs up if you want to do crunchy slime sometime. And then of course some glitter. I did some pretty coarse glitter, but more fine glitter would also be really fun. And then just gonna put a little bit in there. Now you kind of want to fill the whole thing, right? But if you fill it too much, then it all squishes out the side. You can kind of squish it in the middle and then close it real quick if you fill it too much, but just don't overfill it. If you are the kind of person that really likes slime videos and like the ASMR side of things, I am actually having a video on my ASMR channel that's kind of new, where I did the whole process with all the lovely slime sounds, but not everyone's into that. This is more of my tutorial channel, so if you want that, check the link below. And it's kind of fun. You can do color coordinating or just random. I think with a lot of these ingredients I could have added more, but I was learning. It was a learning process, seeing how many you really want in there. And if you put more in there, it's not like they have to add it all. That is so beautiful. Is that not beautiful? I know a certain little girl who was in my last video who helped me make the slime, and she loves making bubbles in the slime with a straw. That was pretty fun seeing that with our last batch. That is beautiful. So cute. I've been thinking of lots of other fun stuff that I can add into slime, just because the batch that I did make that I showed you the recipe on, I probably didn't even use half of it for these guys. So that's something to take into consideration. I mean, it depends on how many kids and how many different things you have to mix in, but you'll have some extra slime left over for another time. So let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite slime out of the mixtures that I made today? It's hard to say. If the beads had more beads in there, I really want to make a crunchy slime. I haven't done that before. But I would say probably my favorite is the silver glitter one. The fun thing about slime is that it does last for a good long while, as long as you keep it in a nice closed container. So they can keep them in the eggs. You know, depending on how good the eggs are, I don't know if they would dry out sooner than later. Maybe put them in a Ziploc baggie or something. But again, let me know in the comments down below. I'm just gonna let you see the rest of the fun. Oh gosh, that one was fun. I would really appreciate if you guys would check out my Easter playlist and also my April Fool's playlist. If you have not watched those, I've got some great ideas that I put a ton of work into and that are really awesome. And subliminal message here, as I enjoyed slime. This could be educational too. Make words out of the letters you find in there. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all have a wonderful Easter and rest of your day, and hope to see you around soon.